You spend time and energy tuning your ski equipment. What do you do to tune your body? Here at Freedom Chiropractic, we specialize in helping people tune their bodies to a level of performance, to a point they can get more out of their ski experience, to a point they can prevent future problems, where they can resolve past issues and move their ski experience to a new level, cleaning up the turns, creating a crispness to the movements, and allowing the body to move and live and experience at the optimal level. Discover the difference a chiropractic adjustment can make in tuning yourself to the next level of skiing.